Hello, friends. I'm Alexius Varro, guiding you through the art of Stoic living. Today, we're diving into a powerful insight from Marcus Aurelius that can transform how we view our retreat from the chaos of everyday life. We'll explore Chapter 81, titled, "The Best Retreat is Here, Not There," from a Stoic perspective. Ready to unlock tranquility right where you are? Let's begin. We all have moments when we crave escape, counting down the days to that much-needed vacation, longing for the weekend to enjoy some peace and quiet. This is perfectly natural. However, Marcus Aurelius' wisdom invites us to rethink what retreat truly means. In his book Meditations, he writes, "People seek solitude in remote places, by the seashore, in the mountains. You long for this too, but how commonplace this is when you can wish to retreat into yourself right now and here. Nowhere does a person retreat more quietly and peacefully than within their own soul, especially if inside of them there is something they can look at and immediately attain perfect tranquility. And by tranquility, I mean nothing more than a well-ordered state. So give yourself this constant retreat and renew yourself." It's a striking thought, a paradigm shift, really. Instead of always seeking peace externally, Marcus encourages us to cultivate it internally. Think about how often our expectations for external retreats go unmet. We imagine a beautiful beach or a serene mountain range will bring us peace, but end up lugging our worries along with us because, as meditation teacher Jon Kabat-Zinn wisely said, "Wherever you go, there you are." Creating a retreat within ourselves is about more than just physical solitude. It's about developing a peaceful and well-ordered internal state. How can we do this amidst the hustle and bustle of daily life? Let's break it down. Firstly, it's essential to understand that we can access this inner retreat at any moment. We don't need to wait for everything to be perfect. As the text from our author illuminates, at any moment, you can find a secluded retreat by looking inside yourself. We can sit with our eyes closed and feel our own breath. We can turn on music and tune into peace. We can disconnect from digital devices or turn off the crazy thoughts in our heads. This will give us peace and nothing else. So, let's explore practical steps we can take to create this inner sanctuary. 1. Mindful breathing. Find a quiet corner, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Repeat this for a few minutes. Feel the rhythm of your breathing and the stillness it brings. 2. Tune into music. Music can be a powerful tool for mental tranquility. Select a piece that resonates with peace and let it envelop you. Focus solely on the melodies and rhythms, allowing your mind to quiet down. 3. Disconnect from devices. Allocate specific times of the day to disconnect from your phone, computer, and social media. Use this time to read, meditate, or simply sit in silence. Disconnecting digitally helps us reconnect with ourselves. 4. Positive visualization. Visualize a peaceful place within your mind. This could be a tranquil beach, a serene forest, or somewhere meaningful to you. Use this visualization as a mental refuge whenever you need a quick getaway. By integrating these practices into our daily routine, we create a mental space where the noise of the world cannot intrude. It's about understanding that true tranquility doesn't depend on external circumstances, but comes from a well-ordered mind. As Stoics, we aim to develop resilience, self-discipline, and inner calm. This chapter from Meditations is a reminder that we possess the capability to find peace, not in some distant place or future time, but right here, right now, within ourselves. So friends, I challenge you to create your own inner retreat. Practice these steps daily and observe how they transform your response to life's stresses. Remember, the best retreat is here, not there. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this exploration meaningful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Stoic insights. Let's continue to grow together, one mindful step at a time. Stay resilient and tranquil. Until next time.